Summer's right around the corner. What better giveaway than a KOMOS Deluxe Kegerator?
That's right, summer's here, pour that beer. Woo!
Well done. Damn, Vito. Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. We've got a great giveaway for this month.
Yeah, it's gonna be either an awesome belated Mother's Day gift or a perfectly timed Father's Day gift.
But first, we have to announce the winner of the new Brewbilt X3 Conical.
That's right, last month we gave away a jacketed X3 Brewbilt Conical, either 7 or 14 gallons, so the lucky winner is gonna get their choice.
And the lucky winner is...
Craig M. from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
That was some energy, man. Dude. Craig, enjoy that X3. We can't wait to see what you make with it.
And of course, our two comment winners are here
and here.
And we're gonna answer your brewing related questions on Free Beer Friday After Dark. And the questions we answer on air are gonna get a MoreBeer gift card.
Well, Vito, I guess it's that time. That's right, this month we are giving away the KOMOS new Deluxe Kegerator.
Woo! The winner's gonna get this beautiful kegerator and have their choice from either 1 to 4 taps.
So every year we have given away a kegerator, and we started with just the standard, great kegerator, sell a ton of them. Last year we gave away the Outdoor Pro one, incredible. This is like a great marriage of the two. It's just like the standard spec-wise, but yet it is wrapped in stainless. So it makes it easier to clean and aesthetically beautiful.
Yeah, the other thing, you've got the temperature on the front here, but it's got a wide range, so you could even ferment in this if you wanted to as well.
And it holds 4 homebrew kegs. Now those are the slim lines, so you know the Pepsi style kegs, but how awesome to have a kegerator that doesn't have that notch that prevents you from putting that 4th keg in.
Yeah, you can do up to 4 different taps on here, and it has this beautiful stainless drip tray as well.
And to wrap it all up, it's on casters. So nice and easy to move around and put exactly where you want it.
We'll go over all these features in a video coming up shortly, and you can see everything you can do on this beautiful kegerator.
So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway.
So what do you think about this month's giveaway? If you have any questions about this unit or just any comments on it, comment below. We're gonna select comment winners for next month.
So Vito, let's finish this beer on Free Beer Friday After Dark.
See you there.
Cheers.
Cheers.